We're going to take a look at something called render sets next. Render sets are pretty cool because you can take any one of these components and you can change how it looks in the drawing. Either how it looks hidden or how it looks as you can see it visible. All right, let's jump in, take a look. I'm going to go into drafting. I'm just going to add a couple of ISO views. So I'll just drop down one. And then I'm just going to do a quick copy and paste for the next. To create your render sets, the easiest way to find the tool is to use the command finder because you'll have to dig through the menu. So I'll just type in render set. And I can see that button and see where it is. Let me just launch it. The first thing that we'll do is we're going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this render set 1. Create. And from here, we can actually go in and start to select what's the geometry that we want to change how it looks. So I'm going to take the main piston in this brake caliper. And then we can decide what do we want it to look like. If it were hidden, what do we want those hidden lines to look like? You can see it's set to invisible because that's what my drawing is set to. But I'm going to say that I want all of the visible lines. We can change to, let's say, dotted, and I want them to be red. So all of these lines, that's all highlighted in orange, it should turn red and it should be dotted. I'm going to create a second render set. I'm just going to deselect that first body, and this time I'm going to choose the mount of the caliper. I'm going to keep it dotted as well, but this time I'm going to change the size, and I'll change the color to green and apply. Okay, so we've got two render sets right now. The way that we activate these is we go into the settings of our view, and then underneath General, Render Sets, Define in View. And it's basically giving you the option to choose a render set. So I'll choose one, Add, OK, and OK. Pretty cool. There you can see all those red dotted lines. Let me go to the second view. General, Define in View, Render Set 2, and we can see how that looks. What's cool about this, and it's highlighted better on the green one, is that we can see this part all the way through. But you may have noticed something when I went into that render set. It's that you can add multiple render sets to the same view. And so then I can have a view with multiple. So that is render sets. Pretty cool. We appreciate all of your time and your attention. You'll notice we've got this little QR code, so you can scan that to learn more. Or if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. Thanks everybody. Have a great day and stay safe.